Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast milk. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 4 slices of bread, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Also, have a shallow dish ready for dipping and a non-stick skillet for cooking. Preparing your workspace makes the entire process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delightful breakfast. Now, let's create our delicious batter. In your shallow dish, whisk together 2 large eggs and 1/2 cup of milk until they are perfectly combined. Next, add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and a small pinch of ground cinnamon for that classic flavor. Stir everything thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and consistent, ready for dipping your bread. With your batter ready, it's time to dip the bread. Take each slice and gently immerse it into the mixture, ensuring both sides are evenly coated. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Cook each French toast slice for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once your French toast is perfectly golden, transfer it to a plate. Now comes the best part. Serving, you can garnish your warm French toast with a sprinkle of powdered sugar, a drizzle of rich maple syrup, or some fresh, vibrant berries. Enjoy your delicious homemade French toast milk, a truly delightful and satisfying treat for any morning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.